Hello, everyone, and welcome to some sound practice. Number 1, if. Repeat, if. Please write the glued sound, if. Number 2, Repeat, Please write the 3 ways we write the sound, Number 3, R. Repeat, R. Please write the way we say the sound R. Pause the video until you are ready to check your work. Here are the sounds. If. Remember, that is our only vowel consonant E exception. And R. If you did not spell it correctly, please spell it correctly next to it so you have that practice. Pause the video until you are finished. And we are done with our sounds, and I'll check you out next time.